Check out this Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, Delmonico red pearl coat, tires, LT 275/70R18 EAL on off-road, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, front armrest with cup holders, manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, engine 6.4L heavy-duty V8 Hemi with MDS, STD, and manufacturer's statement of origin. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low